Hey, Mom, meet my boyfriend. Hi, Mrs. Adams. Nice to meet you.
Wow, another boyfriend?
Shut up. And that's just my little brother. He's the dumb one in the family.
How am I the dumb one?
Watch this. Brother, there's a plane in the sky.
Okay.
The plane crashes in between the borders of US and Canada. Where do you bury the survivors?
If there were survivors, they wouldn't be buried because they're still alive.
You know what? He probably already heard that one before. Let's do another one. Let's say that you were in a race.
Okay.
And you pass in second place. What place are you in?
Second place.
I told you he's the dumb one in the family. I think your brother is right.
Are you sure I'm the dumb one?